That is the finished product.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Hi, I'm Maddie. This is Hannah. We're at Black Sheep Distillery today. We're making a mocktail for dry January. So what are we making today?
It's gonna be called the Pearl Grey.
Okay.
Pearl, Pear, and Earl.
I love it.
The reason that we smoke the glass is so we can get that flavor from the white oak essentially and the smokiness into the drink we are creating.
Okay, the first ingredient is pear juice. It's 100% organic pear juice. We're gonna go in with 3 ounces of that. That's gonna be the star of the show today.
What is that, 2 ounces? 2? Oh, okay.
Yep, you can see it right on there.
Gosh, I'm so excited. I dump it everywhere. It goes all to the sink. How did you do that so good? Okay, there's 2. I'm so nervous. Perfect.
Perfect. Our second ingredient is gonna be some Earl Grey tea that I steeped when I came in, and I added a little bit of simple syrup to it to sweeten it up a little bit. And we're gonna go in with 1.5 ounces of that.
Excited. There we go.
Me taking some off the top made it a little easier on you.
Yeah, thank goodness.
My next one is going to be lemon juice. And the pear juice is kind of like it's very in the middle as sweetness. It's like kind of like sweet, little bit tart, little earthy.
Yeah.
And then you've got the tea, a little earthy. I want the brightness from the lemon juice and the little bit of acidity that it's gonna give.
Makes
We're
it a
going
little
in with
sour?
1/2 ounce of that.
Gotcha. Does the lemon juice make it a little sour?
It's not gonna be very sour per se.
Yeah.
But it is the term I like to use is brightness. It gives a brightness to the drink.
I like that.
I had cardamom bitters, but I don't know if you know, bitters are alcoholic.
Yeah.
So
okay.
I ordered some black cardamom extract.
Oh, nice.
And that's gonna give another earthy tone. And I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna go in 6 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'll fill it back up for you.
Oh, you're the best. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Boom.
Okay. So next, we just have to put ice in here.
Okay. Well, that's the good ice too. Nice.
Nice everywhere. And now I'm gonna give us some spoons.
Sweet.
And we're just essentially gonna stir this for 10 to 15 seconds. Just let everything marry together for a little bit.
I thought you were gonna say 10 to 15 minutes, and I was like, oh, I don't know if I have that in me.
Okay. And you can, if you want to, you can just pop that in that sink there. Okay. So we're done with the actual drink portion. So we can move on to getting our glasses and doing the rimming and adding all the finishing touches.
Oh my gosh, I'm so excited.
They are a little warm. Oh wait, we're gonna rim them. So, I don't know if you've ever used a rimmer.
No.
So really, I'm gonna half rim because I like to give the option.
Wait, what is that? What does that do?
It's the rimmer. So this, I've got juice in here.
Oh.
So it's gonna make it so when I do this, it's going to
Oh, I see.
stick right on. Here's yours.
Sweet.
And now we get to pour.
Oh my gosh, I've never used.
So you're just gonna wanna put your finger on it
Sure.
like that, and it's just gonna stabilize it.
Yeah.
And then you're gonna just pour it right in.
That looks so good. How did you, okay, you just put it on like that? You place it that way? How do you hold it, like this?
Absolutely.
Oh my gosh, look at me. Boom, look at that color. That is so pretty. Ta-da!
Okay. We're gonna take the one that's got the little cut on it.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
And we're just gonna pop that right on.
Oh, heck
And you'll see you have a dehydrated lemon.
Yeah.
I love to use the dehydrated citruses or
Yeah.
fruits of any kind. So just throw that bad boy on
yeah.
there.
On there? Oh, that looks so good. I love it.
Okay, that is the
God.
finished product.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, that's really good.
It is really good.
It's really refreshing too.
It is.
I love that.
I do, the Earl Grey goes great. You're right.
I do really like those two together. Wow. Hannah, thanks so much for helping me make this mocktail today.
You're very welcome. Thank you for letting me show you how to make it.
Yeah, of course. And thank you, Black Sheep Distillery, for helping collab with us to make this video.